Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and another little bit different for you today. After the success of my last video on how I record and edit my videos, I've had a lot of queries about how do we actually upload a video we do to YouTube using YouTube Studio. So I'm going to do today a quick tutorial on how to upload a video to YouTube that you have done using YouTube Studio, and just try and explain the processes and some of the things that you can do to make your video pop out amongst the crowd. So let's get going on this one. This will be a screen record as well, so you'll see my screen and see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So let's get uploading. Here we go. So first we need to open up our internet browser and have YouTube open. Next we need to do is we need to go to this area and click YouTube Studio, or there is the thing, missed that, in this top corner here. Okay, so now we're in YouTube Studio, we need to upload the video. So we click here, upload videos. And it says you can either drag and drop files to upload, but what I like to do is I like to do it the old way and go through this way. So if I go to my videos section, this is a video I've just done, which is the Terminator issue 40. That video is the intro to this one, this how-to, but I want to use this video here that I've produced into an AVI file. So let's open that. Okay, so here we go. So this is what we've got to do. So it wants a title. So this is going to be the title of your video. Now, as you might have seen last time, I have a folder or a file with everything I need for my channel if I want to just get done quickly. So we need to click this one, we need to highlight it, right click, copy, and then we go back to YouTube Studio, delete that, and we're going to put that and then the issue number. Okay, so now we've done that, we need the description. Okay, so this is where we put in the description. So sorry about that, clicked off that. So I always put the title at the beginning in the description. So we're going to right click that, we're going to paste it, and then we go issue whatever it is. Okay, and then I always go to the magazine and write out what it says in the magazine that we're going to be doing. So we are going to be creating the page. Okay, and then down below is basically my other bits and pieces I put in, so I'll show you what that is. So I always put in a link where you can get this model, so there's the link for Agora models, but then I also put in the description my Amazon wish list, the Facebook page for the channel, the Instagram page for the channel, and the Twitter for the channel. I copy that, and then we go to that. I'm just going to paste that in, so that all that goes in the description. With the description, I mean, I've used 423 letters there, but you can have up to 5,000, so it can be quite a fantastic, you can get quite a good description in there. Okay, so we move to the next section, which is upload thumbnail. If you don't know what a thumbnail is, it's quite simple. Yes, it is something on the end of your thumbs, but also if you look at this on my YouTube channel, if you've noticed that I've got pictures for each of the models I make, and these are called thumbnails. So these are the first things that your viewers are going to see when they click on your channel and see your video. So these are some that I've created here using Power Director. So these just make the videos pop out and more appealing for people to click on your videos. So if we go back to the thing, I want to upload a thumbnail. I'm going to upload that. I'm going to go to my folder from my channel. And then I'm going to go to the folder for my thumbnails because they're all in here, what I need. And I need Terminator, so I'm going to open that up. And that'll be what is on the front of the video. Okay, so the next set is playlist. Now you can create playlists in YouTube, and if you want to know how that's done, I can show you that on a separate video. But I have playlists for all the models I make, so I'm going to click on Build the Terminator. Done. Okay. Next is the audience. So who is this video for? Is it made for kids or is it made for adults? My videos are not made for kids. I use craft knives, all of the types of things, paints and everything, and that isn't really suitable for a child. So I click on there, no, it's not made for kids. If it was, or if you say YouTube's rules are, if there's a child in the video, you would have to click yes, it is made for kids. So if you're reviewing a toy or something like that, then yes, you would have to click yes, it's made for kids. Okay, so the next thing we do, we're going to click to the next video. Right, so video elements. Use cards and end screens to show related videos, websites and calls to action. Okay, so an end screen can be something like titles, who's done the video for you and stuff like that. And add cards, basically, if I remember correctly, it's basically to promote related content during your video. So it could be something like the next, a very similar video to what you're doing. But I'm actually not going to put any of them on. I'm going to go next. Okay, so this now wants you to select what you want your video to be. Would you want it public, unlisted or private? So private, only you and people you choose can watch your video, so you have a choice who can see it. Unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video, so you would then send the link to people who can see the video. Or public, okay, everybody can watch your video. Now my videos are public, so everybody can watch them, so that's why I click public. Now this is quite interesting. Set as an instant premiere. Now that means when it comes on, you could be, say, in the comments when the video goes up. So I've never done this, so let's click that. So when the video goes up, you could be there while people are talking to you about it, but I'm not going to select that. Now this one's a very interesting one. Schedule. Now in schedule, you can select a date and time that you want your video to go up. So you can change that date to any date you want. Okay, you can change it to the 18th, 29th, any date you want. I think you can even change it to next year, really. And then you can also choose a time that you want your video to go up. So basically you can say to people, my video is going up at 10 o'clock in the morning, please watch. And it will then show up at 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so I'm about to save or publish. And then what I want to do is I want to publish. Now, what this is going to do is it's then going to bring up this screen, video uploading. Now I don't tend to upload videos on YouTube Studio because it really takes a long time to upload videos to YouTube. This is like 1 hour 49 minutes when the other software I use, which is Power Director, that could take half an hour. So this is really a long way of uploading videos. So I would maybe, if you're doing this a lot and you're wanting to get 2 or 3 videos out maybe a day, I would look at some software like Power Director or there's Adobe Premiere as well, a software you can use which will upload the videos a lot quicker than that. So that is what it looks like at the moment. So when we come back in a second, this will have been uploaded to YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the screen record, come back in a couple of hours, which will be about roughly around about nearly 7 o'clock, and I'll finish off the rest of the video and show you what happens after this stage. So see you soon. Okay, so welcome back. So as you can see now, I'm on my channel videos on YouTube, and now you can see that we have that issue there. All done, video uploaded. We've got the thumbnail that we chose for the video, so that's now showing it because it is a Terminator video. But also if I go down to playlists, so and we go into build the Terminator, and let's have a look. Let's go right down, and there you can see that video there in the playlist that we selected. And that is basically how you upload a video to YouTube using YouTube Studio. Now I have to admit, it did take like nearly 2 hours just to upload like a 15-minute video, so it is quite long. So like I said before, I recommend trying to find some software that you can use to upload videos for yourself, so it makes it a bit quicker and you can be a bit more productive on YouTube. But that's all for today, so thank you for watching this video. I'm thinking maybe of doing a how to use StreamYard and set up a live stream and how everything works on StreamYard. So if you want to see a tutorial on that and how to do lives on YouTube, then just bob a comment in the section below, and and if it's a popular subject, then I'll do a how to work StreamYard. But as for always, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, bye for now, guys. Bye. Bye.